Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Norton 6600 rebuilt unit. So this has been discontinued by Norton relatively long ago. There are lots of them out there, and we provide a service where you can purchase this unit as an exchange, where you'll place the order. We will send you a rebuilt unit. You'll conduct the change or the exchange, then ship back the failed unit for a core refund, and that core refund is mentioned down below in this video. That's a typical way to go in the situation where you have a door that's not operating at all, or is reasonably operating, or is the unit that you are replacing is integral to the actual hanging of the door, meaning you need to have the new one there in order for you to do the swap out to send the old one back. Sending the old one back in some instances is not practical. I think it may be practical in a case like this, in the sense that you're losing the door closer functionality over it, so the door will be somewhat disabled, but the door is not removed from its hinges or its pivots, if you follow what I'm trying to say. Certain units would utterly disable the door, meaning the door is no longer hanging in the unit at all, in the opening at all. So you can do an exchange. You send back the old one after you're done, and then there's a core refund detailed down below. Or you can do a repair where you send us the unit up front. The price that you pay up front is the price listed less the core refund up front. We repair it and then send it back to you. So it can really work either way. This client elected to do a repair on his unit. The factory almost always, but not necessarily always, sends back the original unit. But what they'll very often do is, if there is a rebuilt unit ready to go on the shelf, they will just ship that out, so that you're not waiting the lead time of the shop to get your precise unit rebuilt and then sent back to you. By all means, if you want your exact unit sent back, indicate that at the time of order, and we will certainly ask the factory to oblige in that request. You've got your 7500 series door closer body over here, and then the motor, gearbox, the electronics over on the other side. Okay. Relatively common item. This the 6600 has certainly been on the market for many, many years, and there are, like I said, a lot of them out there. I'm actually surprised we don't bump into them needing repair more often. If you have any questions on the Norton 6600 Powermatic door operator as an exchange or a repair, or any other exchange or repair service, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.